guys, it's Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll show you how to delete your Signal account. Alright, so for those who want to go about deleting their Signal account, simply follow this guide. Alright, so first of all, locate your Signal app. It will work the same on Android as well as iOS. You're going to go ahead and find Signal, go ahead and launch. Once you're here, as in this menu, the main menu, go ahead and go to your settings by tapping the three dots upper right. Next, go to settings. Once you're in settings, guys, you're going to scroll down. All right, so you should be at the top of the screen you're seeing here, guys. Next, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to search for the advanced option. Go ahead and click advanced. Once you do, you should be in this menu as seen here. From here, you should see the option that says delete account. So from here, go ahead and hit on delete account. All right, next, you should be in this menu right here that shows you the options for deleting your account. Please note that deleting your account will delete your account info and profile photo and delete all your messages. So be aware of that before proceeding. So go ahead and select your country. Next, enter your area code along with your phone number in its entirety, right? And of course, you're going to hit delete. From there, the process should be pretty straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to delete your account. I do not want to delete my account right now, so I'm only showing you basically where to find the option. Alright guys, so that's how to delete your account on Signal. It's Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.